In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate premium elements and images in your Canva design project. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding how to leverage these premium resources can elevate your projects to a whole new level. Let's dive right in and then walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you've got Canva open and ready to go. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're in, the first thing you'll need to do is create a new canvas. This is the digital workspace where all your creative magic will happen. You can choose any size or template that fits your project needs. Canva provides a variety of options, so feel free to explore what suits you best. Now that your canvas is set up, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll find a menu featuring different tabs. Click on the one labeled Elements. This is where you'll find all sorts of graphical components like shapes, lines, icons, and more, everything you might want to incorporate into your design to make it truly stand out. Once inside the Elements tab, it's time to narrow down your choices to find exactly what you need. Use the search bar to type in the specific elements you're looking for. Maybe you're after abstract shapes, or perhaps you're more interested in holiday-themed icons. Whatever it is, the search function is your best friend. It helps you quickly locate the most relevant options available within Canva's extensive library. Next, you'll want to refine your search to zero and specifically on premium content. On the right hand of the screen, there's a settings icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you can customize your search results according to your needs. It keeps everything organized and ensures you only spend time looking at elements that match your criteria. Within the drop-down menu, hover down to find the price section. This is a crucial step for locating those high-quality premium elements. Click on the Pro option. This will filter the results to show only Pro or premium elements. If you have a Canva Pro account, this is where your premium status comes into play. You'll notice that premium elements are marked with a small crown icon, signifying that they are part of the Pro collection. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently search and identify premium elements that can significantly enhance your Canva designs. Whether you're creating an intricate infographic or a simple social media post, leveraging these resources can bring a new level of professionalism and creativity to your work. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!